In this video, we review IronFX. Have you used IronFX before? What was your experience? Leave your IronFX review in the comments section below. IronFX, founded in 2010 and headquartered in Cyprus, has drawn mixed reviews from its users. It is known for its flexible leverage offerings, varying from 130 under European regulations to as high as 1:1000 for international accounts in jurisdictions with fewer restrictions. This high leverage has attracted traders who aim to maximize returns with minimal initial capital. However, this high leverage can amplify losses, adding significant risk for inexperienced traders. IronFX is also recognized for its extensive range of tradable assets, covering forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, making it attractive for those interested in diversified trading portfolios. IronFX's trading experience has been enhanced by the integration of MetaTrader 4, available across mobile and desktop, which includes various tools like a margin calculator, trading widgets, and an educational IronFX Academy. These features are beneficial for new traders. Many clients appreciate the broker's trade copier tool, which allows copying strategies from seasoned traders, a feature appealing to beginners wanting a more hands-off approach to learning. IronFX also offers multiple account types, from standard to VIP, and options tailored for specific strategies, such as STP/ECN accounts with competitive spreads. Users on MIFSbook and daytrading.com rate its customer support highly, often describing it as responsive and effective in resolving queries, which has been a positive aspect of their customer experience. Despite these advantages, IronFX has faced controversy, particularly regarding withdrawal processes. Numerous users on forums like Forex Peace Army and MIFSbook report extended delays in withdrawals, with some stating their funds were frozen or excessively delayed without explanation. This issue is among the most significant complaints and has raised concerns about IronFX's transparency in financial dealings. Additionally, some clients have reported challenges with account management and occasional technical glitches, which have detracted from the otherwise smooth trading experience. While IronFX has attempted to address these issues, this negative sentiment has impacted its reputation. IronFX also offers attractive bonuses, like the 100% deposit bonus and the 40% power bonus. While appealing, these bonuses come with restrictions, often locking in users' funds and limiting their flexibility to withdraw until specific trading volumes are reached. This restriction has been a point of contention for traders who may not wish to be tied down by the conditions attached to these bonuses. Despite this, other traders value these bonuses, especially those committed to trading extensively on the platform. In conclusion, IronFX provides robust trading tools, varied account types, and extensive market access, which makes it suitable for both beginner and experienced traders. Its high leverage options and advanced trading features are attractive but come with risks that should be carefully managed. The firm's educational resources and trade copier service are assets, while its customer service has received commendations for quality and availability. However, concerns about withdrawal processes and conditional bonuses suggest that potential clients should carefully consider these factors before committing significant funds. IronFX has earned a reputation that balances strong offerings with notable concerns, requiring traders to weigh its benefits against potential risks for a clear understanding of what they are entering into.